Hello students, today we are going to do the reading of second lesson from EVS textbook. You can see here the second lesson, its name is O-U-R our, S-E-N-S-E sense, O-R-G-A-N-S organs, our sense organs. Let's begin the reading. W-E-V-H-A-V-E have, 5. S-E-N-S-E sense, O-R-G-A-N-S organs, T-H-E-Y they are. You can see here the pictures of all the sense organs. The first are E-Y-E-S eyes, second E-A-R-S ears, the next is N-O-S-E nose, T-O-N-G-U-E tongue, S-K-I-N skin. So these are our 5 sense organs. Now let us see how these organs are useful to us. O-U-R our, E-Y-E-S eyes, H-E-L-P help, us to, S-E-E-C, T-H-I-N-G-S things, A-R-O-U-N-D around, us, we, H-A-V-E have, to, E-Y-E-S eyes. Now here you can see the boy is seeing. Yes, he is making use of the eyes, that is our sense organ, to see something. Here the girl is smelling. She is making the use of her nose to smell the rose in her hand. O-U-R our, N-O-S-E nose, H-E-L-P-S helps, us to, S-M-E-L-L smell, T-H-I-N-G-S things, we, H-A-V-E have, 1, N-O-S-E nose, we, L-I-K-E like, P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T pleasant. What is this? Pleasant. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T pleasant. Smells, S-M-E-L-L-S smells. Pleasant means good smells, nice smells. And dislike, D-I-S-L-I-K-E dislike means we don't like, U-N-P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T unpleasant. Unpleasant means which are not good, not nice. So the opposite for this pleasant is unpleasant. We like pleasant smells and dislike, that is we don't like unpleasant smells. Here you can see some pictures. Rose, here you can see a dustbin, here you can see a perfume and an onion. So which things among these 4 have pleasant smells, that is good smell? The rose and perfume, they have good smell, and the dustbin and the onion, they do not have good smell, they have unpleasant smells. Now the next page, page number 10. O-U-R our, E-A-R-S ears, H-E-L-P help, U-S us to hear, H-E-A-R hear. Hear means listen. We listen or we hear with our ears. Our ears help us to hear, S-O-U-N-D-S sounds. We, H-A-V-E have, to, T-W-O, E-A-R-S ears. So you can see here what the boy is doing. He is hearing the song with the help of his ears. Now look at this picture. MATCH, match the FOLLOWING following WITH with THEIR their SOUNDS sounds. So you have to match these pictures with the sounds that they are making. Here you can see a boy who is crying. The sound of crying is loud. So you can see here LOUD. Loud is matched to this picture in which the boy is crying. Here this boy is listening to music. He is happy. It means that the music is soft or sweet. So SOFT, soft, is matched with this. Here you can see the dog is barking, and here we have the tablas. What do you feel, students? Which sound is pleasant and which is unpleasant? Yes, the sound of the tabla will be pleasant. So PLEASANT, pleasant, is matched with the tablas, and the barking dog is matched with unpleasant. UNPLEASANT, unpleasant. Now let us see the next sense organ, that is our skin. Our, 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 SKIN, skin, HELPS, helps us to FEEL, feel. Our skin helps us to feel. We, HAVE, have, SKIN, skin, ALL, all, OVER, over, OUR, our, BODY, body. We have skin all over our body. Yes, is it true? Yes, it's true. We have skin all over our body. So see here, the coldness of any drink or the hotness of tea, milk, coffee, we can feel it only when we touch it. So the skin does the work of feeling for us. WEVCANNOT, cannot, FEEL, feel, the TOUCH, touch, ON, on, OUR, our, HAIR, hair, or NAILS, nails. Yes, it's true. If someone touches our hair or nails, we do not understand the feel. But if someone touches our skin, we can easily understand it. Here you can see some things are given like ice, tea, a soft toy is shown here, and here some stones are shown. So you have to match it. The ice, it is cold, COLD, cold. And how is the tea? It is hot, HOT, hot. These two pictures, the soft toys, they are always very soft, SOFT, soft. And the stones, how are they? The stones are hard, HARD, hard. Now let us see the next sense organ, tongue. OUR, our, TONGUE, tongue, HELPS, helps us to, TASTE, taste, FOOD, food. Our tongue helps us to taste food. We have one tongue, TONGUE, tongue. And what does the tongue do? The tongue tells us about the taste of various things that we eat. Here you can see few pictures. A chocolate, lemon, some packaged food items, and here we have a bitter gourd. Now let us see what are the tastes of these following things. How is a chocolate? Here you can see some 4 tastes, names of 4 tastes. So a chocolate is sweet. SWEET, sweet. The lemon, it is sour. SOUR, sour. The packaged food item, it is salty. Like your kurkure or the chips that you eat, they are salty. SALTY, salty. And this bitter gourd, it is bitter. BITTER. Bitter means in Marathi we say kadu. Yes, and this is what is bitter gourd. Bitter gourd means karla. Now see here. THESE, these. FIVE, 5. SENSE, sense. ORGANS, organs. are. VERY, very. IMPORTANT, important to us. These 5 sense organs are very important to us. THEY, they. Are. LIKE, like. OUR, our. BEST, best. FRIENDS, friends. They are like our best friends. We, MUST, must. TAKE, take. CARE, care of our sense organs. So all the sense organs, may be eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. All these 5 sense organs help us. They are very important to us. And so we should take care of all these sense organs. So this was the reading for the second lesson, our sense organs.